Hello, and thank you for joining me for Ask Gardener Lynn. Gardening can be just a little tricky sometimes, and just a little bit of help can turn a troubled garden around. So let's keep those gardens on track. So today our question comes from Beelan. His question is, can you please talk about crop rotation? Okay, we can do that. So there are 3 reasons that I know of to do a crop rotation. Number 1 is disease. If you have a disease in the soil and you plant your crop in a different area the following year, the hope is that the disease is not in the new area. Number 2 is pests. People rotate their crops to ward off pests. The hope is that you left the pests in the old area. And number 3 is nutrients. When you rotate your crop to a new area, the plant has a better chance of getting the nutrients that it needs in the new spot if it had depleted those particular nutrients in the old spot. So for me personally, I don't really worry about crop rotation. So when I grow the plants in organic soil with lots of beneficial microbes and feed the garden regularly, I will not have soil that is depleted. And disease in the soil will mostly be taken care of by the bacterial microbes that are in the soil. So I don't have to worry about planting the same variety in the same place year after year. And pests, they live kind of regionally. So by moving a plant 20 to 50 feet, most pests will move that far as well. So rotating the plants for pests, unless I'm going to go over about 100 yards, the crop rotation will not really help me with pest control. So I do like to rotate my plants to get a chance to grow a different garden. I enjoy the change of location and seeing what I can do with the plants, but that's probably more why I move my plants around than anything else. So if you're growing in depleted soil using chemical fertilizers that destroy the bacterial microbes in your soils, I think you better be rotating your plants. So if you have a garden question you would like answered, please click on the link below this video and submit your question. If you would like to learn more about high-performance gardening and want to see us grow a whole season of vegetables week by week for 33 weeks, then go ahead and sign up for the High Performance Garden Show. So in the show, we follow a garden from seed to putting it to bed at the end of the season. So this is the best insider's look at watching everything that we do with the vegetable plants week after week all season long. We'll even show you a professional trellising system that you can use for your garden. So the show, it's free, it's online, and you can watch it anytime. So you want to go to our website, thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show, and you can sign up or click on the link below. So I want to thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more high-performance gardening information. And submit your gardening questions so you can get the answers that you need. Until next time, may your garden be easy, fun, productive, and always organic.